Hello everybody, welcome to Marauder Mining. Today I want to talk about where the market's going, where it is now, and what I think is to come. So we can look at Bitcoin here. It's had a heck of a week. It's up over 41, almost to 42. Ethereum is up to 3,000, which we haven't seen in a few weeks. BNB's up over 400, which it's been a while for that too. Solana's up to 112. Terra Luna's up 55. Doge 14. So we've had a good run. I mean, look at this. Solana's up 18% this week. Bitcoin 10. Ethereum 16. So the market looks like it's starting to turn around. The question is where do we go from here? And so I pulled up this Bitcoin chart here. This is where we closed out yesterday, 41,578. Now, because we closed out at that point yesterday and we're still holding above, either we're going to have a little bounce down here and then a bounce up, and that's when we're going to see the breakout and the return to the all-time highs, or we're just going to break out, which I'm kind of thinking this might just be a breakout. We might trade sideways and consolidate a little bit, but what I'm seeing here is this orange line on the bottom. When this comes up and crosses, if we look at the history, when that happens, when the orange line's on top, we're headed up. And also, these Bollinger Bands really broke wide yesterday. And if we look at the 1 hour, these Bollinger Bands are tight. And what this normally indicates is we got a breakout coming, one way or the other. It's either going up or it's going down. And with the way Bitcoin's been running, I believe it's going to go up. And we might even see 42, 43 today. Tops in the next couple of days, I'm thinking 45. But if we do break lower, we're probably going to end up at least down to the 38 level. And then we'll break out and go up higher. Shiba Inu is up 4.85% today. So this is a pretty popular project. It's doing pretty well this week. Every day it's been kind of up, since since yesterday anyway. It's been up. But we have this little kind of cup handle maneuver, and that, usually when you get the handle coming in with the cup, whatever it is from here, from the bottom to here, it usually moves up that much. So anyways, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Saitama's down. Now, I do believe in the future of Saitama. I'm heavily invested in Saitama. Saitama had to take down the swap feature on SaitaMask. And the reason why they had to do this was because they had people front running and basically ripping off their customers. And it was a very small percentage, and Uniswap and SushiSwap, that percentage would have been acceptable. But since SaitaMask is a newer company, they want to get that number down to 0%, as close as they can. I think it was about 4% of all transactions were being front run. So basically, if you thought you were buying $1,000 worth of Saitama, you'd get $800 because somebody would hop in line ahead of you and buy it up and then sell it to you at a higher price. And this is a problem in the cryptocurrency industry, and actually it's been a problem in the past, even in the stock markets, especially before this digital age. Shibnobi is up 1.28%. They have more exchanges coming, which will be catalyst, and I'm hearing rumors of another 1 sextillion coin burn. So keep Shibnobi on your watch list. Shiba Doge is down 11.68. This thing has had a tough week. This was up, it had dropped to 0 and there was a 1 here, and this was about the high. It was 1.6. So, this thing's come down quite a bit. So if you want to get into Shiba Doge, now's the time. And the cool thing about Shiba Doge is it's not just a cryptocurrency. They have an NFT, and if you stake that NFT, you can earn Shiba Doge. All the NFTs sold out yesterday on Shiba Doge, and this is their website. They got a pretty good website, and here's some samples of their NFTs. It says the public sale is now live, but really it is sold out. I bought one, and I got a pretty decently rare one. I had listed it at 1 ETH. We'll see what happens. But the floor price on this one is 0.145. Volume traded is 90.3 ETH. Now, this is a new project, so that's not really that bad, And if we, look at the activity here, we had a little bit of a dive throughout, and then came up. So I'm starting to get into NFTs. I'm not saying I'm an expert on NFTs. I'm nowhere near. As a matter of fact, if you have any resources that can help me to be a better NFT trader, I would greatly appreciate it. Scammers don't even try, because if you drop something in asking for my seed phrase or Ethereum, it's not happening. And if anybody asks you for your seed phrase for your wallet, don't ever give it to them. That is supposed to be kept 100% to yourself. You give somebody your seed phrase, you're losing all your money. And I'm going to say something else about NFTs. Because of the kind of money that's in NFTs, there is a ton of scams going on with NFTs. So if you have a Discord and you're in the Discord group and all that, what happens is they'll send you direct messages that look like official pages, official links, and it'll say, hey, mint now, and all of a sudden you lost some Ethereum. And once you lose that Ethereum, typically they'll ask you for your seed phrase too. And you give them that seed phrase, you're losing everything. So be careful if you're going to trade in NFTs. And once again, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Now, this Magic Mushroom Clubhouse was minted quite a while ago, and the floor price is 0.205. I bought one of these the other day, and the reason why I bought one is, and you can see here the price has dived a little bit, but I'm sure it's going to come back. But what the Magic Mushroom Clubhouse does is it gives you opportunities to be parts of other NFT projects. So being part of other NFT projects, you're able to mint NFTs on a whitelist. So, I mean, for the 0.205 ETH it is on the floor price right now, this is a good buy, because this will get you into onto all kinds of whitelist. And if you're on a whitelist, as long as you're there on mint day with the money, you are guaranteed to mint. What you need to do though is go on your Discord and join the Magic Mushroom Clubhouse group. And when you do that, make sure you keep up to date, because there is some projects, one that I missed out on, where you have to go and submit your address or do this or that before the certain date in order to be on the whitelist. You want to make sure you're doing that. So you want to keep up to date on the Discord if you buy one of these. Again, do your own research. This is one I got on the whitelist for. It's minting very soon. I believe the mint date for whitelist is on the 8th. I'm not sure the public sale, but usually the public sale is next day or next 2 days. But if you look, there's really cool art. These can be staked to earn, cryptocurrency. It's spacexapes, and I think these things are going to be really, really popular. And the mint price on these is one sol, which is, it's about $112 right now. I bought enough sol to mint mine when it was around $90. I did get on the whitelist to these. I am going to be trying to buy about 5 or 6 of these because I think they're going to be pretty profitable. But passive reward cycle for holders, mint and earn rewards in sol, 33% royalty held for giveaways, 33% royalty held in DAO, 3D airdrop of Gen 2 collection. So you're going to get an airdrop of the Gen 2 collection for buying one, for everyone you buy probably, I assume. Exclusive entry to Metaplanet. So they're going to have a space in the metaverse. Metaverse land share, play to earn game on Solus. And so I believe too, when you stake this, and I'm not sure why it's not listed here, there's a 33% return when you stake it back to the holders. Now, every time one of these is sold, I believe there's a royalty fee that goes back into the treasury, so that's where that 33% comes from. Here's their Twitter page. Again, really cool art. If you want to be a part of this project or learn about this project, I'm going to leave the links down in the description below so you can look them up. Another one that I learned about was Billionaire Babies, and I got in their Discord, and I'm currently trying to get on the whitelist, but I think this is going to be a good project too. They don't have a whitelist or a mint date yet, so that is up and coming. But if we look at some of their artwork, there's a lot of cool artwork, and I'm sure there's going to be benefits. They're just not announced yet because a lot of projects are doing, those staking rewards and all that. So more to come on that. This is another one that I got whitelisted on. When I bought that Magic Mushroom Clubhouse, I got whitelisted for this because the creator of Magic Mushroom Clubhouse is launching WGMI Studios. So by buying this NFT, which is minting today at 3 o'clock, and that's for whitelisters, I'm not sure when the public sale is gonna happen, or if there is a public sale. But what this allows you to have is access to a podcast and a lot of other good information on new and upcoming NFTs, things that are going to help you grow in buying and selling NFTs. Now, I'm sure there's going to be people that buy these up and they're going to have them listed on OpenSea, or Rarity Tools, or so this is part of the reason why I bought the Magic Mushroom Clubhouse, is to get in on this one. If you buy one, you can no longer get on the whitelist for this one, but the public mint, keep your eye out for that if you are interested in this project, but do your own research. Here's their Twitter page. A lot of good information here. Podcast, WGI Media, world's first all-in-one dedicated NFT media outlet. Newsletter, live events, live news, live AMAs. Now, like I said, I'm learning about NFTs. I just got into NFTs this week. I should have got into them sooner, but it's the way it goes. Another one that I got involved with was CryptoPunks Yacht Club. Now, the CryptoPunks Yacht Club was a free mint But the floor price is sitting pretty low. And again, do your own research. But you can get these CryptoPunk Yacht Club NFTs, I think around $50 right now. I'm having a hard time finding it on here. So what I'll do is I'll leave the link for OpenSea about the CryptoPunk Yacht Club in the description below. I can tell you this, the CryptoPunks in the beginning of OpenSea were highly valuable NFTs, and they still are to this day. They're some of the top selling NFTs. So hopefully holding on to some of these NFTs will produce future profits. Me, myself, what I'm looking to do is invest in NFTs, hold some of them long term, but also flip some of them. And there's a lot of people that are making, $30,000, $50,000 a week flipping NFTs. So it is a good thing to get into, but you need to do your own research and you need to find out the information on your own. I will try and leave the projects in some videos that I think are successful, but again, it's only my opinion. So if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and share with all your friends.